Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the e-learning session of science. Today we are going to start a new topic of your science book, chapter number 9, Matter. So now let's begin. First, let's do the science vocabulary. First is matter. Anything that occupies space and has weight. कोई भी चीज़ जिसका कुछ भार होता है, weight, या वो जगह को घेरता है, that is called matter. Atom, tiny particle that forms building blocks of matter. छोटे छोटे पार्टिकल जो किसी मैटर को बनाते हैं. Molecule, tiny particle formed when two or more atoms combine. जब दो या दो से ज़्यादा एटम्स को कंबाइन करते हैं तो उस टाइनी पार्टिकल को मॉलिक्यूल कहते हैं. एलिमेंट, अ सब्सटेंस दैट कंसिस्ट ऑफ एटम्स ऑफ ओनली वन काइंड. वो सब्सटेंस जो एक ही तरह के एटम से बनता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एलिमेंट. So students, let's start. Our first topic is matter around us. But before we start, we need to understand what is matter. Everything that we see around us is matter. Whatever we see in this whole world or universe, all the things are matter. But why are they called matter? Because matter is something that has weight and occupies space. Weight means how heavy a thing is, and space means how much area is filled up by a thing, and that is also called volume. So matter is that everything that has some weight and occupies space. For example, plants, air, water, soil, milk, balloon, pen, paper, pencils, all the things in this universe are matter. Next topic is three states of matter. There are different states in which a matter exists. It exists in three different states, that is solid, liquid and gas. So the matter exists in three states. Sometimes the same matter can exist in three different states. Sometimes it happens that one matter, one thing is there which exists in three different states. For example, water. Water is a liquid normally. You all know what is water, pani, and that is in liquid form. But when we freeze it, it becomes solid. When we put water in the freezer, it becomes ice, and ice is solid. And the same water, when boiled for some time, it changes into gas. And when we boil that water, it changes into gas or steam or in the water vapor form. And so it means water exists in three different states, that is solid, liquid and gas. And all these three forms of water are interchangeable. We can change from one form to another. Next topic is composition of matter. Means matter किससे बना है. Matter is made up of atoms and molecules. Matter किससे बना है? Atoms and molecules से. Atoms are tiny particles which form the building blocks of matter. Atoms are very small particles which form a matter, जो किसी matter को बनाते हैं. They are so small that they cannot be seen with the naked eye. वो बहुत छोटे होते हैं that we cannot see with our eyes. Different objects are made up of different types of atoms, and there are so many different things, and they all are made up of different types of atoms. Most atoms do not stay alone. वो अकेले नहीं रहते. They combine with other atoms of same or different kinds to form molecules. They have a tendency to combine with other atoms. वो दूसरे atoms के साथ combine करते हैं. Maybe of same kind or of different kind to form molecules. Molecules means when two or more atoms combine with each other. Atoms or molecules make a material. Atoms और molecules से क्या बनता है? Material. Material means matter. Just like bricks make a wall. Wall means दीवार. You all know. And दीवार किससे बनती है? Brick से. Similarly, matter is made up of atoms and molecules. Molecules always keep moving and attract other surrounding molecules. मॉलिक्यूल्स जो होते हैं वो हमेशा मूव करते रहते हैं या अपने सराउंडिंग मॉलिक्यूल्स की तरफ अट्रैक्ट होते रहते हैं. मॉलिक्यूल्स इन सॉलिड, लिक्विड एंड गैसियस स्टेट्स बिहेव डिफरेंटली. और मॉलिक्यूल्स सॉलिड में, लिक्विड में और गैसियस स्टेट में डिफरेंटली बिहेव करते हैं. Next is properties of solids, liquids and gases. First in solids. In solids like our TV or computer, the molecules of solids are very tightly packed. The force of attraction between these molecules is very strong, so they have a fixed shape and volume, and they are very rigid. Rigid means hard, and they cannot be squashed. हम उनको दबा नहीं सकते, so they cannot flow. Next is liquids. Liquids like water, pani. In liquids, the molecules of a liquid are not so closely packed as in solids, and the intermolecular force of attraction between these molecules is not so strong like in solids. सो मॉलिक्यूल्स जो होते हैं इसके हिलते डुलते रहते हैं, इसीलिए लिक्विड्स जो होते हैं वो फ्लो करते हैं. दे आर नॉट सो रिजिड, यानी कि पानी बहुत ज़्यादा हार्ड नहीं होता, बट इट कैन नॉट बी स्क्वैश्ड, हम पानी को दबा नहीं सकते. एंड दे हैव नो फिक्स शेप, उनकी शेप फिक्स नहीं होती, बट दे हैव फिक्स्ड वॉल्यूम. Next is gases. In gases, the molecules are very loosely packed and the intermolecular force of attraction between the molecules is very weak. They are not rigid at all, they can be squashed easily and they have no fixed shape and volume. Here are the properties of solid, liquid and gases. Next topic is classification of matter. Matter can be classified as elements, compounds and mixture. But today, first we will do elements and compounds. So, first is elements. Elements क्या होते हैं? Some substances are made up of only one kind of atoms. जो एक ही तरह के atom से बनते हैं, they are known as element. For example, iron, silver, gold, oxygen, mercury, these all are elements. And each element is represented by a symbol. हर element को हम एक symbol से represent करते हैं. For example, O is used for oxygen, N for nitrogen, C for carbon, H for hydrogen and so on. Let's take an example here. Here oxygen is an element and we have taken two atoms of oxygen, and when we combine them we'll get an oxygen molecule, that is O2. Similarly, here oxygen is also an element and when we combine two atoms of hydrogen we'll get an hydrogen molecule, that is H2. Next topic is compounds. Most substances around us are made by combination of more than one kind of elements. Mostly जो substances होते हैं वो एक से ज़्यादा elements के साथ combine करके बनाते हैं. The elements of different kinds combine in a fixed ratio to form a compound. और जो different तरह के elements हैं वो दूसरे elements के साथ combine करते हैं, किसमें? fixed ratio में combine करके एक क्या बनाते हैं? compound. For example, oxygen and hydrogen are two elements. अभी हमने पढ़ा है. They combine in a fixed ratio to form a compound called water. The chemical formula of water is H2O. So in water, two atoms of hydrogen combine with one atom of oxygen and we get water, H2O. A compound is a totally new substance formed from its elements. जब एक compound बनता है तो वो अपने elements से बिल्कुल different होता है. For example, water is totally different in its appearance, physical state and behavior from that of oxygen and hydrogen. वाटर की प्रॉपर्टीज़ बिल्कुल डिफरेंट होती है. वाटर लिक्विड होता है, उसकी अपीयरेंस डिफरेंट होती है, और ऑक्सीजन और हाइड्रोजन की डिफरेंट. वाटर लिक्विड है और ऑक्सीजन और हाइड्रोजन गैसेस हैं, तो इन दोनों की प्रॉपर्टीज़ बिल्कुल डिफरेंट होती हैं. वाटर इज़ लिक्विड एट रूम टेम्परेचर एंड वाइल ऑक्सीजन इज एंड हाइड्रोजन आर गैसेस. Elements that form a compound cannot be separated easily. जब एक कंपाउंड बन जाता है तब हम उसके एलिमेंट से उसको अलग नहीं कर सकते. शुगर, सॉल्ट एट्सेट्रा आर सम एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ कंपाउंड्स. शुगर जैसे कि ग्लूकोज का केमिकल फार्मूला होता है C6H12O6 और सॉल्ट का केमिकल फार्मूला होता है NaCl. तो हम जब ये कंपाउंड्स बन जाते हैं तो हम उनको अपने एलिमेंट से सेपरेट नहीं कर सकते इजीली. So students, hope you might have understood the chapter well. Try to read the chapter 2 to 3 times to have a better understanding and try to solve the bookwork and checkpoints of this chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.